My name's Bill Beitel. I'm with a company named Caseworks out of Baltimore, and we represent a German case manufacturer named Glasbau Reiher out of Lauta, Germany. And what we do is we specialize in archival display cases, which means the casework that we do is a tightly sealed case, and we manufacture the case. So the materials included would meet a certain level of conservation and archival requirements, but always giving easy access to the museum staff. But everything will be special in regards to the glass. It's a clear white laminated glass, so it's a UV filtering glass, it's safety glass, security glass. All the hinges and locks will be concealed. It'll be a tightly sealed case. It'll allow for a microclimate environment. So that means that the interior, the environment inside the display case can be controlled passively, which will be ideal for the ship models that'll be on display.